Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a quotes video for Instagram Reels in Capcut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can start to create new project. Click on new project, and here you have to prepare your background for your quotes video. You can add a video or photo from your device, or if you don't have any footage to be edited, you can go to the Capcut library, and here we have a lot of footages we can use for our quotes video. And I'm just going to use footage from the Capcut library. I'm gonna go with this video. Okay, now the video has been added to my CapCut project, and I think the duration is too long, so I'm gonna cut this footage. Okay, and we can add text or add our codes to this video. Click on the text, click on add text, and you can input or enter your codes right here. For example, I'm just going to write, be yourself, be beautiful. Okay, and click on this check mark after you're done adding the quotes, or if you want to change the font, you just need to go to the font, and for example, to make it more captivating, I'm going to select this one. Okay, I think it looks beautiful, and click on this check mark once you're done adding the quotes. And I'm going to add like credit, click on add text again, and I'm going to add my name. Okay, and I'm going to change the font again, guys. Click on the font, and I'm going to use this one. Okay, it's perfect, and we can make the text align with our video. Just drag the text. Okay, all right, and to make our quotes video more interesting, we can add music. Go to the audio, go to sounds, and I'm going to use sounds from Capcut. I'm going to select the healing category, and I'm gonna go with this relax music. Okay, and I think it's done, and this is the final result. Oops, sorry guys, I cannot play the music due to the copyright, so I'm not gonna show you the video with the music due to the copyright issue. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a quotes video for our Instagram Reels. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.